Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Today we had some big news regarding one of our favorite penny stocks on this channel. We spoke about them numerous times. I'm giving this to you hot off the press. Came out just today. If you appreciate these updates, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel as well. We're going to keep giving you updates on many of our favorite penny stocks, as well as introducing many new ones to the channel as well. So let's get into this. We're talking about American Battery Metals, ticker symbol ABML. This stock has been on a crazy run. So if we look at the current share price, the market is open, so it might look slightly different. But currently trade for around about 170 per share. If we look at the last 5 days, we're actually looking pretty green, ever so slightly up about 4% or so at this moment in time. Bit more flatline, okay? Over the last month, once again, it's been a bit choppy, okay? We're actually pretty much break even. I know it shows the red, but we're pretty much break even on the last month. And on a 6-month graph, well, this is when it does get really interesting. You can see we went up to some crazy highs around about 380, 390, almost touching $4 a share. And then, yeah, we have been dropping off. From those highs, we're actually down around about 57%, okay? So crazy lows from those highs of $4 per share. And why is that? Well, we've done numerous updates. I literally did one about 4 or 5 days ago on ABML, okay, regarding getting the lawyers out, etc., to fight back against the short reports that they had to deal with, which was one of the many reasons of why this one was selling off. The other main reason, I guess, was, of course, following the rest of the market. But on to what we're here for, okay? Today's big news. We've finally got some news around the plant, okay? The plant that we've all been waiting for. ABML are building a plant in Nevada, moments away from Tesla's factory, okay? And we're talking about the timeline being end of this year for the plant to be built, and then we should start getting some revenue and production in line for Q1 and Q2 of next year, okay? So a little bit of a waiting game. This is not a short-term hold. This is slightly more of a medium to longer-term hold, in my opinion. This is a lithium-ion recycling company. For me, I'm holding this for the long term. You know, if you're in this for the medium, you could make some nice gains as well. But this was the news, okay? American Battery Metals files environmental and construction permits for a lithium battery recycling plant in Nevada. So we finally got some news around this plant. We've been waiting for something and we finally got it, okay? It's going to be changing to ABTC, American Battery Technology Company. We said that when we first done an analysis video on these earlier in this year. We still haven't had the change, but nevertheless, that's coming. It doesn't affect the company. It's just going to really be a new ticker symbol or a new name of the company. It is still the same company. But this was this past Monday, April the 26th, our design team led by Miles Construction submitted a mass grading permit application to the city of Fernley. We also submitted a stormwater pollution prevention plan and a surface area disturbances, okay? So just different things that they need to get in order to have this plant underway. And the permit application to Nevada Division Protection to continue permitting process for our lithium battery recycling plant. So it's all still full steam ahead. There's been some short reports saying there isn't even a plant. It's not even going to be happening. Well, here's your proof, okay? It is. They're submitting these permits right now. An SAD permit is to getting the mass grading permit approved by the city of Fernley. And this first permit here, okay, says it will enable the construction to prepare ABTC's acre pilot plant site for underground construction work foundation building, which means the start of the building. Hopefully we're going to get this permit come through and, you know, we're going to start building. It does go on to say American Battery has built a clean technology platform that increases the production of primary metals used in the battery that power electric cars, grid storage applications. EV is the way forward. This is a way of getting this lithium-ion recycling battery. Okay, it's going to be exciting. This company is doing really exciting things, currently trading at really cheap valuations. So this is good news. We are another step in the right direction. We are still a while off this plant being built. Let's have no bones about it. Once again, it's early days for this company. However, it is another step in the right direction. Okay, the permits are being submitted. Hopefully, we're going to get that back and hopefully we can start building the plant. We also had this just out yesterday. Okay, news is coming all around. American Battery Corporation closes 15 million registered direct offering with a single institutional investor. Big offering there, 15 million from a single investor. And this was at a purchase price of $165 per share. So not far off what we're currently trading at, okay, which is another reason we're seeing a bit of a drop. People don't like shares being given away at cheaper prices. If you see an offering going out for a cheaper price than the current stock price, we generally do see a bit of a sell-off in the stock. However, to be offering at 165, that's pretty much in line with where we are right now. Somebody has purchased that at $15 million right there, okay? Big amount there. And the CEO here, Doug Cole, says this investment is a major step up for us and accelerates our goals for 2021, including the construction of our lithium-ion battery recycling plant and uplisting to a major US national exchange, which we're looking forward to. Remember, ABML is still currently trading on the OTC markets. If they can get this listed onto the NASDAQ or another major exchange, it's going to be a big catalyst and hopefully get more and more investors involved in this company. It does go on to say here, our team is focused on delivering our pilot plant and getting into production with target operations to begin by the end of 2021. Like we said, they want this plant to be built and revenue commencing in the first quarter of 2022. I'm a little bit more on the cautious side. I think maybe come Q2, like I said, but either way, they're saying Q1 here. Even if I have to hold on till mid 2022, I don't mind. I think right now is incredibly cheap prices, in my opinion. Yeah, it's been falling, but this is a time to be averaging down if you believe in this company. Okay, there has been no reason for this to be falling other than following the rest of the market. Nothing has changed within the company. We had a couple of short reports which completely got wiped out, so much so that they've even got a law firm to battle against this happening again, basically. The company are on our side as shareholders. They don't want to see this reason for the stock to be going down either, okay? But right now, there is no reason for it. Nothing has changed. We're actually getting some good news out and we're heading in the right direction. Let's have one more look here at the final stock price. We can see, like I say, it is currently 170. And where do I think this is going to go in the next month? I don't think it's going to move a crazy amount. We may see a bit more green off the back of this news. People starting to believe in this company a bit more. It does have quite a high market cap. Okay, so 170, I don't mind it around these prices. If you're not in, if we actually look at the last month, like I say, it's kind of a good price. It's pretty much your average. We're break even on the month. Okay, we've been a bit down and that up again. If you can get it slightly cheaper than this, I think it's a really good price to get in at. If you are already invested and you're in the red, then maybe you may consider averaging down, because like I say, this one was at $4 just about mid-February or early February. We was at $4. So if you are at that price, you are going to be seeing a lot of red in your portfolio. It really depends on how much you believe in this company. If you believe this is the future, why did you invest? Why did you invest into ABML? Did you invest for the plant being built? Did you invest so they can start reeling out production? Well, when you invested in that, there was no chance of that happening any time in the next month or two. The plant was never going to be built and the production was never going to be ramped up in this short period of time. So you have to consider, why did you invest in the first place? If it was just to quickly hope for some short-term gains, that's more gambling, not investing. This one for me was always a long-term investment, and that's why we're still holding. And to be honest, if it keeps dropping, I will keep averaging down here and there as well. You don't want to pile all your money in and keep chasing the red, because that's when you could get burnt, okay? You don't want one stock to take up such a massive part of your portfolio. But for me, I'm happy with it current prices. If it drops a bit more, I may add away a little bit more as well. I'm not looking to get 20% profit on this company in the next year or 30%. I want to get 100 plus easily on this company. That's just my personal strategy. Please remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you are planning on investing, you should always do your own research first. Thanks for watching, and if you appreciate this, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel. We're going to keep giving you updates on lots of our favorite penny stocks, including American Battery Metals, which very soon could be ABTC as well. Thanks for watching, and until next time.